As you can see here, I have a blank Google Drawings. You see it has the checkered background. That means that it's transparent. So if you want your collage to have a background, you can right click on it and pick a gradient, which is like a little design. The color, that's kind of nice. Or you can just experiment with some different kinds. I like blue. It's like my favorite color. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my selfie in the middle. But I don't want my selfie to just be boring rectangle. So I'm going to click on the mask image and I'm going to pick a shape. And you can make any fancy shape or something simple. Like, how about this one? That's kind of a cross shape. Isn't that cool? And then you can add some features to your drawings, like maybe a border, and that just draws all the way around it. And I always like to use this shadow feature. This is pretty cool too. You see how it makes it look like there's a little shadow. You can barely see it, but it makes it pop out. Then if you like, maybe take a, take it and turn it just a little bit. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put pictures, lots of pictures of things that I'm interested in, things that I like to do. And I'm going to do the simple image search. Here we go. And I don't know if you know this, but you probably do. I play the saxophone. That's one of my hobbies, right? So I'm going to find a picture of a saxophone. And I'm not going to be too picky about the ones, ooh, but that one is sweet. And I'm going to think about it like I maybe want to put things at different angles like that. That's kind of cool, right? Don't forget, if you're going to be consistent, use those little shadow features. Ah, that is sweet. Okay, and now I'm going to find a picture. What else should I find a picture of? Oh, you know what I like to do?
You play the piano.
Yeah, I like to play the piano. So I'm not very good yet, but I'm working on it. So, yeah, so, okay. Ooh, that's a nice one. I'm going to bring that one over. Just steal it from Google. Oh, that's cool, but I don't want both of those. So I'm going to crop the stand-up piano out. I like the grand piano. Oopsie. I pulled it the wrong way. Grab the corner with the little
that
black.
happens to me too.
Yeah, it's tough sometimes. You got to keep trying. Okay. So that's that. And remember, you can use other shapes like, if it's too boring, I'm going to go to the shapes. I like sometimes to make interesting shapes. Let's see. How about this one? Ooh, that's kind of cool. Look at that. Like a little tabby thing. I like that. Uh-oh, don't forget to do the little shadow. All right, cool.